I'm going to show you how to pack and ship a fragile item. Hi everyone, I'm Vicki with Avante Avenue. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to pack and ship a fragile item. I'm going to be doing a series of videos in 2020 showing you one item at a time so that it keeps it short and fast and easy and show you how to pack and ship that fragile item. So with that said, let's get started. This is a vintage cigar humidor, and it is nicely weighted as far as the ceramic goes. It's nice and thick, but I still want to fill that void in here with some paper or bubble wrap. So let's see what I've got. I'm going to put some tissue paper down in here. And then I'm going to add some bubble wrap. I think I'll cut that into 2 pieces. Just need a partial piece. And finish with a little more tissue paper. You can fill this with anything that you would like, but because I have to double box this, I'm trying to keep the weight as light as possible, so that's why I use some bubble wrap. Put the lid back on. Okay, and I'm going to wrap this in 1 layer of tissue paper. I don't have to worry about the lid falling off. It's on here pretty good. Little piece of tape. Okay, now I need to bubble wrap this, and I like to use large bubble wrap. This is 12-inch bubble wrap, so it's perforated every 12 inches. Piece of tape. We're going to fold in the ends and tape it. I'm just using some Scotch heavy-duty tape. Okay, I want to double box this. I need to see what this will fit into for the first box. Because this is going priority mail, regular priority mail, I'm going to double box it by starting with a smaller priority mail box. This is a 7 by 7 by 6. It is not a flat rate, very important. I do not abuse the mailing boxes. It's not flat rate. I'm not shipping flat rate, so I'm going to use this as an inner box. And I have a little bit of room here in it, so I've cut some bubble wrap. I'm going to put a small piece in the bottom. That was just my tape fell over here. I'm going to put this down in. Okay, and I'm going to put a small piece of large bubble wrap on top. And I have a packing slip prepared. I'm going to put this in the first box and close this up. And this is going to be my inner box. I would never chance just shipping this fragile item in 1 box. I'm going to double box it. I have my smaller priority mail box, and I have a larger 9 by 9 by 9 box. I have extra room in here, quite a bit, if you see here. And so I have a new gadget that I'm going to be trying. This is a box scorer. It scores the box, and I can put this on the edge of the box, and I can reduce the size of the box. So it's a box reducer. I'm going to give this a try for the first time. I'm excited about it. Just got it in the mail. So I'm going to take this box out for now, the inner box. So I've already determined how far I want to score the box. So I've got this over the lip, and it is a little awkward. I have to say it's a little awkward, but I'm going to roll this against myself, roll it towards me, I should say, until I score. You can't see it, but I have a score in here. Turn that around. Again, put that over the lip of the box. Until I do that to all 4 sides. Okay, I've come down about 1 inch. I need to cut my corners. I have a little utility knife here, and I'm going to cut the corners down to that point. I think I'll reverse this and have an idea where I need to cut. Okay. Again, I'm going to use this to mark the outside so I know where I need to cut to on the corner. One more. Okay, I think I've got it. Let's see how good of a job it did. Press in. And what I'll do is I'll cut off the extra flap, the excess flap. Okay. This one I could have scored a little better. One more. Okay. All right, so I will cut off the excess when I get to that point. I'm going to put some bubble wrap in the bottom to wrap around my inner box. I'm going to put some bubble wrap on each side. Just to let you know, I dedicate a certain pair of scissors for cutting bubble wrap because my scissors get ruined. They get ruined all the time from bubble wrap. It's sticky. So I'm just going to cut some squares. Put these down in the side. And top with one layer. I'd say that's packed pretty good. I have my box reduced. I do not need this much weight in the flaps. So I'm going to go ahead and take my utility knife and I'm going to just cut off some of the excess. I'm just going to eye that. Take that away and then use that as my guide. So I guess I left some paper dust in there. For the buyer's sake, I'll take that out. I got my inner flaps, my outer flaps. That will push. Again, I'm going to score this. Not really score it, I'm going to cut it. Turn it. Make the other flap match up. Okay, this box is done. It's ready to tape closed. I'm going to push it together. A little bit on the edges since I reconfigured the box. I'm going to add a little extra on the edges. All right, I have my new box. It's no longer a 9x9x9. It is probably about an 8x8x8, so good to go. I estimated this up to 3 pounds with my label weight cheat sheet. It comes to 2 pounds, 5 ounces. It's good. I'm going to get this in the mail. If you like these kind of videos, how to package ship fragile items, I appreciate a thumbs up. I invite you to like, subscribe, and ring that little bell to receive notifications on future videos. And as always, thanks for watching. I'm Vicki with Avante Avenue.